Hey, welcome to another episode of The Requirements. I'm Jeff. I have another viewer requested video. They want to know how to go ahead and replace the coolant reservoir tank on their Honda vehicle. Now I have here my 2013 Honda Accord, and as you can see up here, I have accidentally melted my tank right here. It was leaning up against right here, and I drove it for at least 10-15 miles before I realized this wasn't back into its holder slot right here. And so I went to Honda and I purchased a brand new one. I suggest you get a Honda part and not an aftermarket part. The aftermarket part might not screw in correctly. And here is the part number right there, and it cost $18.97 including tax, so less than 20 bucks. And I also purchased the coolant from the dealership so that I can go ahead and fill the tank back up. Now there's no tools required. All you need to do is lift this straight up and unscrew the cap. Be careful not to get the coolant on your paint. So I'm just gonna put it like this. Now take your reservoir tank and you need to put in the coolant to the halfway point. So you see that there's a min and there's a max. So you want to put it in between. When the engine is cold, it should be towards the bottom on the min level. When the engine is hot, it should get up to the max level right here. So you just want to put it in between the min and the max right here. And also, if you are working on a Honda vehicle, I highly recommend that you use the genuine Honda fluids. And so that's what I'm using here. All right, so there you go. So this right here is the blue OEM coolant from Honda. All right, so next all I need to do is go ahead and put this back in, tighten the top down. That right there is the mounting bracket. And so you just have to put this backside and slide it over into that bracket and push down. Now wiggle this a little bit to make sure that it's actually latched onto that mounting bracket, because this is what had happened when I didn't check. This had came off and it got lean right here, and it started melting through this plastic cap. All right, so hopefully this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.